The hidden costs of pipe relining.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss a topic that many of you, whether you're homeowners or contractors, often wonder about: the additional costs involved in pipe relining. This process, as you know, is often considered a cost-effective alternative to traditional pipe replacement, but let's dive deeper to uncover what hidden costs you might encounter along the way.
What is pipe relining?
Before we delve into the costs, let's make sure we all understand what pipe relining is. In simple terms, pipe relining is a method of repairing damaged pipes by creating a pipe within a pipe. A resin-saturated felt tube is inserted into the damaged pipe and hardened to create the new pipe, all without digging up your property.
Labor costs.
One of the most significant additional costs of pipe relining is labor. The complexity of the job and the hours it takes to complete significantly impact this cost. Remember, it's not just the time it takes to install the liner. Preparation work, inspection, and cleanup all add to the labor hours. The expertise required for pipe relining often means that the labor isn't cheap, but it's worth it for the longevity and quality of the repair.
Material costs.
The cost of materials can vary greatly depending on the scale and complexity of the job. The relining material itself is not inexpensive, and the cost can rise depending on the size and length of the pipe being repaired. Additional materials like resins and any specialized materials for more complicated jobs also add to the total cost. Remember, higher quality materials will lead to a more durable repair.
Equipment costs.
In some cases, the pipe relining process may require specialized equipment. For instance, you might need a CCTV camera for initial inspection and post-repair verification, drain cleaning equipment for preparation, or UV light systems for curing the liner. If you're a homeowner, the contractor you hire will typically include the cost of equipment use in their quote. If you're a contractor and don't already have the necessary equipment, this could be a significant additional expense. While pipe relining is often a more cost-effective and less disruptive alternative to full pipe replacement, it's essential to be aware of these additional costs. It's not just about the cost of the relining material. Labor, additional materials, and equipment usage can all add to the bill. As always, be sure to get a detailed quote before starting the work. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped clarify some of the hidden costs of pipe relining.